If you want to give your WooCommerce login page a more personalized and user-friendly touch, this quick guide will walk you through the process. Customizing your login page helps your store look more professional and gives customers a smoother experience when signing in. Start by installing a plugin called Profile Builder. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins section and select Add New. In the search bar, type Profile Builder, then click Install Now, and once it's finished, click Activate. This plugin lets you create and customize login and registration forms without writing any code. Next, you will create a new page to host your custom login form. Go to Pages and choose Add New. Give it a clear name like Login so it's easy to identify. In the content box, paste the shortcode. This tells WordPress to display a custom login form from the Profile Builder plugin. After that, publish the page to make it live. Now it's time to connect this page to your WooCommerce login process. Go back to your dashboard and open WooCommerce, then choose Settings and open the Accounts and Privacy tab. In this section, look for the setting that allows you to choose which page handles logins and registrations. Select the new login page you just created. Once you save your changes, your WooCommerce store will start directing users to your new customized login page every time they sign in. It's simple, on brand, and gives your store a more professional feel. And that's it. Your WooCommerce login page is now personalized and ready for your customers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.